Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Muhammad Ali and let's start this project. So first of all, we will start with the Rider app. So for that, just go to your browser, okay, and you have to simply type this link, which is github.com/, and then you have to simply type coding cafe. I hope you can see the spellings, okay? CODINGCAFE. Coding cafe 1/ then write rider underscore app. I hope you can see it, okay? github.com/coding cafe 1/ rider underscore app. Okay, just type this and press enter. It will redirect you to this page, which is coding cafe 1/ rider app. Okay, so now from here all you need is just to click on this code and then simply click on download zip, and that's it. It has been downloaded here. Okay, so let's just go to the downloads folder. Okay, this is the file which we just downloaded. Let's cut it from here. Okay, and then let's go to our desktop. You have to simply paste that here. Okay, it is by the name rider underscore app dash master. So all you need is, first of all, you have to right click on it. Okay, click on extract here. Make sure that you have WinRAR or zip application installed, which is used to extract any RAR file or zip file, which is simple thing. Okay, if you are a developer, then of course you know about it. So anyways, just extract here. Okay, now you will get this folder. Now if you want, you can delete this and then just rename this, and we will give it name as rider underscore app. Okay, in small English alphabets. Do not use any capital letter. The name must be in small English alphabets, and do not give any extra space. Just exactly in small English alphabets. For example, in my case it is rider underscore app. Okay, once you do this, the next thing is to open up the Android Studio, or if you are using Visual Studio Code, VS Code, then you can open this in the VS Code. But I will suggest to follow the same IDE, which is Android Studio, for Flutter app development for the Android and iOS, because this is more intelligent IDE as compared to others. Now here you have to simply click on this option, which is open an existing project, and then on the desktop we have this file by the name rider underscore app. I mean our this project for file, okay, which is rider underscore app. So on the desktop we have that. So just click OK. So rider underscore app is now opening in our Android Studio. So it has been opened. Close this readme if it opened by default. Okay, and now first of all, make sure that from here you select this project. Okay, if it is already selected, then it is okay, no problem. If you expand this, then here we have this lib. Inside the lib we have this all screens folder, and we have this main.dot file. Hope you can see it. Okay, main.dot, and also inside the all screens we have this main screen.dot file, which contains nothing but just a simple app bar which has main screen at the title. Okay, so anyways, first of all, what we need to do, we need to simply click on file. Okay, first click on file, then you have to click on settings. After this you have to simply click on this languages and frameworks. If you expand this, here you will see this Flutter. Okay, just click on this Flutter. First of all, click on dot. Okay, click on dot. Okay, you will see this dot. When you click on dot, you will see this option which is enable dot support for the project. So just check this. Okay, and then here dot SDK path, you have to simply provide the path, that is where you have installed the Flutter. Okay, so just click here. In my case, I have installed it inside my C drive. So inside the C drive, I have the Flutter, which is this one. Okay, I have the Flutter SDK, which is this one in my case. In your case, where you have installed it, you have to simply navigate there. So my Flutter SDK is this one, and in here you have to go inside the bin. If you expand bin, we have cache. Okay, expand cache. Inside the cache, we have .sdk. So select .sdk, then press OK. Okay, just like this, and then click on apply, and yeah, that's it. And then click on OK. So now when you come here to the main.file, okay, to the main.file, you will see this as a suggestion, which is .support is not enabled for the module writer app. You will see these two buttons, okay, which is enable .support. So just click on enable .support button, and everything is okay now. Okay, so now open up the terminal, and from the terminal you can simply run this command, which is flutter pub get, and then press enter. Now this command you can also run automatically by simply clicking here on the tools, flutter, and then simply click on flutter pub get. Okay, so it will run the same command, which will basically import all the packages, and you will see now that is these error will be gone. So as you can see, all the packages have been imported, and now the red lines are gone. So now first of all, on the main dot, as you know, this is our starting point. Okay, void main my app, which is this class, and here we have the theme, which means the color, the default color for our app, and then we have some title here. For example, Flutter demo, you can change this to let's say rider app or anything according to your choice, for example. And then we say debug show check mode banner false, which is a small line. If you make it true, it will basically display that this is the application in debug mode. Okay, otherwise if you set it false, it will remove that small line that is it is not in the debug mode. Anyways, then we say home, which simply means that whenever our app starts, when we install the app on our phone, where we want our app to go. So we want our app to go to the main screen, which is this one. Okay, main screen, and here basically we are inside the scaffold widget, we are displaying an app bar, and on the app bar we are displaying this title, which is main screen. So let's test the app to see if everything is working fine or not. So I'm going to open up the emulator. So our emulator is running now successfully. Now let's click on this play button in order to install the app on our phone. So let's wait for it. For the first time it will take some time, 2-3 minutes, to install the app on our phone. So the app is now installing, and here we go. Our app is running now successfully. As you can see it on the app bar, it is showing main screen.